rules of indices are easier than you think. It requires 2 steps. One, recognizing that bases are different and can be made the same. And secondly, using equations. So how do we combine those 2 things together? Well, firstly, knowing our rules of indices, we know that we can do, for example, a to the power 1 times a to the power 2 and get a to the power 3 because the bases are the same. If the bases are different, this is not true. So let's make all these the same. So with a little bit of thought, we should recognize that 27 is a power of 3 and 9 can be made using a power of 3. So obviously 3 to the 1 is equal to 3. That's this one checked off. 9 is equal to 3 squared and 27 equals 3 cubed. So all we need to do is substitute these 2 things into here. So we have 3 squared to the minus a half equals 3 cubed to the quarter divide 3x plus 1. Okay, so rules of indices. A power to the power gets multiplied. So let's do that here. So 2 times minus half is minus 1. 3 times a quarter is 3 quarters. And this one will remain. And then when you have a power dividing a power, sorry, when you have 2 numbers dividing, the base is the same and the powers are different, we subtract them. So we're left with 3 minus 1 equals 3 and 3 quarters minus x plus 1. Right, these 2 are the same, the bases are the same. So this is where the equation comes from. Because now we can simply state that minus 1 equals 3 quarters minus, and I'm going to expand this, x minus 1. And no matter how complicated this looks, if you follow this step and make the bases the same, this will always become true. Not this exact one, of course, but let's solve it. Minus 1 both sides becomes 0, so we've got 0 equals 3 quarters minus x. Simply just add x to both sides and quickly read the question again, find the exact value of x. Yep, we can leave as 3 quarters, and that is GCSE rules of indices completed. Let me know what else you want to see in the comments, and best of luck revising.